Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain you how we can make a full adder and full subtractor using 2x1 multiplexer. And remember, it is very simple. Just you need to remember the SOP terms of full adder and full subtractor. As you know that full adder sum expression is A XOR B XOR C. Okay, and SOP is equal to for sum 1 2 4 7. Let me repeat, 1 2 4 7. Similarly, carry expression is equal to AB plus AC plus BC. AB plus AC plus BC. Okay, or you can take AB plus C, you can take common, and A XOR B. Okay, now the SOP for carry is equal to sum of M is equal to 3 5 6 7. Let me repeat, 3 5 6 7. Just you need to remember these two, SOP of sum and carry, so that you can easily make the full adder. Okay, and I'm giving you a shortcut trick how to do that. So, and this sum and carry is a function of A B C, right? Three variables are there. This two A and B I'm taking for multiplexer, and this two I'm this C is I'm taking for shortcut trick. Okay, and what is that shortcut trick? Is just you need to make a table I0, I1, I2, I3. Okay, then this C is there now. Put C bar and C. Let me repeat, C bar then C, and put 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Let me repeat, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, now we are making this for sum. Okay, and for sum, just what are there? A 1 2 4 7 is there, no? Just make a round on that. 1 2 4 7. Okay, 1 2 4 7, and just make like this. C is here, right? C is here. Here at 2, C bar is here. Here at 4, C bar is here. C bar. Okay, and here 7, C is there. Okay, C bar, C bar, C. Now it is very simple. Now you need to take a multiplexer. Just take 3 2x1 multiplexer. Connect them like this. Okay, now just put C bar, C bar, C. This 4 as it is, put C bar, C bar, C. And what are two variables we are considering for making multiplexer? A and B, na? So this is what MSB bit and this is what LSB bit. So always put MSB bit here. Sorry, this is what LSB bit and this is what MSB bit. Okay, so always put MSB bit here. What is MSB bit? A, and LSB put here B. at first stage always put MSB bit, and this is what your sum, which is nothing but A XOR B XOR C. It is very simple. Let me prove this how it is coming. Okay, now see here what we are getting. Let me take another pen. Here what we are getting, this is what B, right? B bar, this B become bar, and this C, right? Plus BC bar. This is what B XOR C, right? Here similarly what will we get? B, this bar, and this C bar, okay, plus this B and C, BC, which is nothing but B XOR C bar. Okay, now here what we'll get? This A bar, okay, A bar in bracket this B XOR C plus this A and this B XOR C bar, okay, B XOR C bar. Now just put this B XOR C as X. So what will you get? A bar X plus AX bar, okay, which is nothing but A XOR with X. Now put XOR. What is XOR? Sorry, this X. What is X? B XOR C. This is what we got, right? Similarly, this is what a sum. Now for carry, just let me take a different pen. For carry, 3 5 6 7 is there, right? 3 5 6 7. Just make a table I0, I1, I2 and I3. Okay, just make C bar C 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, now 3 5 6 7, make a round, 3 5 6 7. Okay, now what here? Nothing is there, right? So if no round is there, put 0. Then C here, right? This C here, also C here. If both round, then take 1. Okay, now make our diagram, 2 cross 1 multiplexer using. Okay, now just put 0 C 1, and this is what your A and B, and here you will get AB plus AC plus BC. This is what carry output expression, and you can cross check by using same method what I have explained you here. Okay, just try this. If you find any difficulty, put your comments in the comment box. We will make a video for that explanation. Okay, now take a full subtractor. This is what full adder was there, right? Now take a full subtractor. For full subtractor, difference is there and borrow expression is there, right? So for difference, A XOR B XOR C, same expression as you know, right? And follow the same A XOR B and XOR C. Okay. For borrow, just AB plus AC plus BC. Just put bar here, and you will get the borrow expression. And for borrow expression, you can also write something like A bar B plus take a C and A XOR B. whole bar. Okay, and for difference, summation of m SOP term is same as this full adder 1 2 4 7, and for this borrow, summation of m SOP is equal to 1 2 3 7. Okay, let me repeat, 1 2 3 7. You know this, right? Now how to make we just try to make for borrow, because it is very similar, and same for sum. Difference is same for sum. Okay, now we will make for borrow. For borrow, just apply our box I0, I1, I2, I3. Okay, C bar, C here, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now take this 1 2 3 7, just make a round. 1 2 3 7. Okay, here you will get C, here 1 0, nothing is there, then C 1 0 C. Let me repeat, C 1 0 C. Just make our diagram, 2x1 multiplexer. Okay, just put directly C10C. Okay, just take your MSB bit. What is our MSB bit here? A is MSB bit, right? A and B, and here you will get a difference equation. Sorry, borrow equation, which is nothing but AB plus AC plus BC, and take bar here. This is what a shortcut trick for making full adder and full subtractor using 2x1 multiplexer. You can also verify this by using this method. What we have did here, we have taken a output expression at every multiplexer. You can cross check by using this. You will find the same expression. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.